Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the browser and going straight to the reading list panel. This is where items are stored. Once visible, scan the list to identify what you want to remove versus keep. If any link matters, copy it to bookmarks or a note before deletion, because removing items is often irreversible. Make sure you're in the right profile so you don't delete someone else's list unintentionally. Accurate selection now saves time later. Now you'll select entries for deletion. Use Shift or Control for multiple selection if supported, or tap checkboxes in mobile views. Once items are highlighted, open the Action menu, usually 3 dots or a context menu, and choose Remove or Delete. Doing it this way is faster and prevents accidental single-item clicks. Pause to confirm visually that only unwanted items are selected. This deliberate check reduces. Finish by confirming the deletion prompt. Many browsers offer a short undo window, so act fast if you change your mind. Once done, make sure Sync hasn't reintroduced entries from another device. If so, pause Sync, remove locally, then re-enable synchronization. If deleted items still reappear, clear the browser cache and sign out, then sign back in to force a refresh. This addresses most sync or cache glitches, and if the problem persists, check which device is still holding the originals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.